Another example of a linear equation in one variable. This equation is yet a little more complicated than the previous one. It's a little more complicated because now our expressions have parentheses. But we know how to remove the parentheses when we have parentheses in an expression. We use the distributive property. We're going to distribute the multiplication of 4 times both of the terms that are here in this set of parentheses. We will distribute the multiplication of 2 times both of the terms that are in this set of parentheses. That will eliminate the parentheses for us. So 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times a plus 2 is plus 8. 2 times 6x is 12x. 2 times a minus 4 is minus 8. We should then notice that in the right-hand expression we have some like terms we can combine. The 12x minus 8x terms. 12x minus 8x gives us 4x. Now we encounter a situation where the variable's on both sides of the equation. We want the variable to be only in one term as we continue solving the equation. What we want to do then is make one of these terms with the variable disappear into 0. And generally I recommend that you make the smaller term disappear into 0. Here 4x is less than 8x. I'm going to make 4x disappear into 0 by subtracting 4x. That makes that disappear into 0. But remember, an equation is a balance. If I took away 4x from one side, I have to take away 4x from the other side. We have 4x plus 8 equals negative 8. Now we simply have to undo this 4 and 8 from the variable here. It was multiplied first, then there was addition. We undo in reverse order. I will subtract in order to undo that addition. So I have 4x equals negative 16. Remember, you owe 8 and you owe 8 more, so you owe a total of 16. Now to undo the multiplication, I'm going to divide. 4x divided by 4 gives me 1. 1 times x is x. Negative 16 divided by 4 is going to be negative 4. The solution then to this equation is that x would be negative 4. And our plan of attack was simplify the expressions by removing parentheses, combining like terms, the variables on both sides, so make one of them disappear into 0. Now simply undo the operations to get the variable completely by itself to identify what the solution is.